Welcome back to Food Fact for You. Today, we are going to dive in the world of chicken. We are going to explore how old the chicken on our plate actually is and what's the science behind it. Not every chicken has had the same living condition. There are organic chickens, free-range chickens, broiler chickens, and laying hens. Chickens raised for slaughter don't naturally die of old age. But how old could these chickens have naturally become? Wild chickens, or those kept by individuals, such as pets, can easily live up to 10 years depending on the breed, with some outliers reaching up to 20 years. But at what age are chickens typically slaughtered? The life expectancy of chickens we consume varies between 35 and 81 days. In both cases, they reach the same size at slaughter. Chickens with shorter lifespans grow more quickly to their slaughter weight. This is influenced by factors such as the breed and the amount of feed they receive. Even though a chicken may grow rapidly, it's essentially still a chick that ends up in the slaughterhouse. In about 6 weeks, meat chicken chicks are bred to become chickens weighing over 2 kilograms. The primary difference in age between chickens lies in the type of chicken you buy. There are conventional meat chickens called broilers, and there are free-range chickens and organic chickens raised for meat. Free-range and organic chickens have a longer lifespan, making their meat more expensive. However, they are still slaughtered at a relatively young age compared to their natural life expectancy. For example, a free-range chicken lives for 56 to 63 days. Free-range and organic chickens with labels such as USDA Organic or Certified Humane meet additional criteria such as being a slower-growing breed, having more space, exposure to daylight, and outdoor access. The nutritional profile of chicken meat can vary depending on the diet and living conditions of the chicken. For instance, organic chickens that have had more space and a more diverse diet may produce meat with higher nutritional content. This can influence the nutritional value and flavor of the chicken meat that consumers ultimately consume. The emphasis on the natural and varied diet of organically raised chickens may result in meat that is richer in essential nutrients, potentially offering a healthier option for consumers concerned with both taste and nutritional benefit. Therefore, when making choices at the meat counter, considering the production methods and dietary factors affecting the chicken can contribute to a more informed and health-conscious decision-making process. The slow-growing breed used for organic chickens takes longer to reach the desired slaughter weight of 2 kilograms. These organic chickens are therefore slaughtered after 70 to 81 days. Nevertheless, this is still an incredibly fast growth rate. To put it in perspective, a laying hen is fully matured only after 18 weeks. Conventional meat chickens in the poultry industry, on the other hand, live only a fraction of their natural life expectancy, around 35 to 42 days. At 6 weeks, they already weigh 2 kilograms due to the amount of feeding and their breed. The goal with these broiler chickens is to fatten them up as quickly as possible for slaughter. Consequently, this type of chicken is much cheaper than its organic counterpart. You won't find these labeled less broiler chickens quickly in the fresh meat section of American supermarkets, as there has been a push towards labels like USDA Organic, Certified Humane, and no antibiotics ever. However, a significant portion of the American poultry industry still consists of broiler chickens sold to wholesalers, restaurants, markets, or butchers. Additionally, a substantial amount is exported abroad. Laying hens live a bit longer, around 1.5 years. These chickens are primarily bred for egg production. After 17 months, egg production declines, and these chickens are also slaughtered. Laying hens usually go on transport abroad and end their lives as stewing hens. So, you won't find these chickens quickly in your local American supermarket's fresh section. Still, if you're eating chicken soup, there's a good chance it was once a laying hen. In summary, the various types of chickens have the following ages at the time of slaughter. Conventional meat chicken, 35-42 days. Free-range and free-range organic, 56-63 days. Organic chicken, 70-81 days. Laying hen, 17-21 months. So, the chickens on our plates are essentially just chicks. But if you're at the meat counter and want to know exactly how old the chicken was when it met its end, pay attention to the labels and certifications on the packaging. I guess that was it for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.